Now, what problem we are facing is that this panic number, the panic button, now it was designed in such a way that a person under distress can do it quietly without raising any suspicion if he is under some kind of duress or somebody is watching him or her. But what has happened is that this button is getting pressed accidentally. Sometimes while it is in the pocket or while the kids are playing with the phone. So we have started receiving calls which are not meant to be. So the number of calls to control room has gone up manifold. And as a result of which a person dials this kind of facility accidentally without his knowledge. So he doesn't know that he has dialed. And the phone is kept on. And the line doesn't disengage till the time he realizes and he actually disconnects. So what happens? This way क्या होता है कि वो कंट्रोल रूम की लाइंस जैम होने लगी हैं. This is a matter which relates to the DOT at the center because it's a national policy. They have been apprised of the position and they're going to rectify it. Whatever they do, we'll come to know in due course. But at this moment, what we have done is that we have increased the number of lines in the 100 number exchange from the existing 6 to 30. So that people get better chance of connecting control room in case of an emergency.